super controlled over here, especially a good look having these handles here. Hey, what's going on, world of YouTube? Your boys are here once again. You know this. We're in the Natural Progression Studio. Once again, we come at you with a tutorial. You're locked into Thomas Twins TV, and obviously your host Del alongside twin brother Trev, ready to get busy in this tutorial, yeah? Welcome, guys. If you're new to this channel, then guys, hit the notification bell, sub in also so you don't miss these videos. Today, we're going to show you how to use one piece of equipment, the cable machine, how to do a full body workout, just utilizing the cable machine. See you guys around the other side. Okay, let's get into this one. We've got Del doing the demonstration over here. First exercise, we're going to target the legs. So we're going to hit some squats. We're using a couple of these 25 kg plates right here, just to give a bit of a platform. Del's got the belt. Take note. I'll give him one more, Trev. Yeah. I tell you what, guys, super controlled over here, especially a good look having these handles here so you can hold it. Yeah, just nice and controlled. I really like this. Really like this exercise, man. An exercise. Okay. What's next? On to the next. Let's go in with some hamstrings, eh, Trev? Okay, so hamstrings, muscles at the back of the legs, guys. These muscles here. An excellent demonstration by Del over here. Get busy. Good thing about this machine, guys, is you can keep chopping and changing these bars. That will help you with various different exercises. We're going to hit the hamstrings now. I'm going to dive offset. Yeah. Another good thing about this is you can rotate this, so you can come in at a different angle. Let's show you what we're talking about. Straight leg deadlifts. One more. Yeah. So if you haven't tried any of these exercises, you know you can save this video down. Also share it with people who might also like to do some of these exercises. Yeah. Okay, I think we'll go into bicep curls next. So from lower body, we move to upper body. These off the scene, Trev. Yeah. Traditional bicep curl. Yep, using this attachment here. Obviously, guys, note the form. If you don't know the exact form, check out our bicep video. Elbows in by the side. We'll just go for around 5 reps on this. Yep. 3, 4. One more, we'll do it. 5. How does that feel, man? Yeah, feels brilliant, man. Feels good on the biceps. Guys, obviously keep your technique nice and controlled. As Trev said, the elbows locked in, chest nice and high, shoulders back. That gets you through the exercise. I think whilst we've got this bar here, let's go in with some upright rows. Okay, upright rows, guys. We're talking about targeting the shoulders. Again, if you need to find more details, there are videos on our Instagram, on our YouTube page, demonstrating various shoulder exercises. We're going to target the middle head of the shoulder, medial delt. Again, guys, peep the technique here. Good thing about this machine, you can easily change the resistance by moving the pin down. You don't have to worry about taking plates on and off the bar. It's all done simply. Yeah. So we're ticking them off the list here, guys. Let's go to the next one, Trev. Let's work the other part of the arm, triceps. Okay, so the back of the arm, guys, triceps. Look at this. On a system here where you can move this up or down. That allows you to do different types of exercises. So we've set up now for triceps. We'll just go for 5 reps. Call that 2. Yep. 3, 4, 5. So yeah, if you want to tone up those wobbly arms, this is the exercise to do it. Okay, let's go with something core related whilst we're here. Okay, core stuff, we're talking this area here on the body, the abdomen. So what you can do, guys, is you can have a mat. I think Trev's just walking off scene to get me a mat. Takes the pressure off the knees. And we'll set this one up for you guys. It's all about getting your position right. Make sure you're not too close to the machine. Yeah, just a few reps there to show you guys how it's done. Just adding a bit of resistance to the crunches. Obviously, with the weights, you can toggle down the stack if you need to make it heavier, or upwards if you need to make it lighter. So core stuff. From here, we're going to go to the back, Trev. Okay. I like this exercise. This one's a good one. Okay, this emulates the cable row. So without further ado, yeah, we're talking about rows. Yeah, really squeezing them shoulder blades together at the back here. We're hitting some lats, we're hitting some rhomboids. Also a little bit of traps in the movement as well. One more. Where are we next after this? Biceps, tries, shoulders, back, core, hams, and quads, glutes. These will help to do some glute exercises where we can do some kickbacks. Now we can clip in over here. Nice controlled movement, guys. Bet some of you guys didn't know you could do the glutes over here like this. Again, watch this video back, share it with your people who are interested in health and fitness. Yeah, Very, very versatile piece of kit, this one. You can do a lot over here. We've demonstrated a full body workout just on one piece of kit. Yeah, so definitely if you're pushed for time, or if your gym that you're in only has limited equipment, but if it's got this, then guys, you know what to do to get a full body workout in. Other than that, guys, it's been a pleasure once again. I'm going to sign off out of here, man. Going to bounce off set. Peace.